Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have benzoic acid, ortho position you have benzyl group, and you are reacting with sulfur chloride and aluminum chloride. Finally, zinc amalgam and HCl. You should find what will be the final product. Here the problem hidden in the plain sight. What you should do is you have to rewrite the phenyl group for the proper cyclisation reaction. First step, chlorinating agent you are using. Acid converts into acid chloride. Then intramolecular Friedel Crafts acylation happen. 6-member ring will form. There can be many possibilities, but only 6-member ring is stable because of zero strand. So only ortho attack happen. Then you are using zinc amalgam and HCl. The carbonyl group convert into CH2. You have the final product. The concept you have to learn here is cyclisation always drives the reaction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.